Hey people, welcome to the Ecuadorian mountains. Yesterday we were at the dirt jumps in Quito and now I'm up at 3,700 meters at the top of this trail at Santa Rita bike park, which is sick. I've already done a couple of runs with Martha, so we've been eating dust all day, but you wait till you see this bike park. It's like no bike parks at home. Back in the UK, all the land is accounted for, so it's all about cramming in features, jumps, berms into all the space, whereas here it's about using what's here, natural, epic, volcanic dirt, this black dirt. This is going to be a rad two-pronged video where I'm going to ride this bike park, these sick trails with Martha, and tomorrow I'm headed up that mountain, Cotopaxi, and we're dropping in from nearly 5,000 meters, which, I mean, I know I'm at 3,700 right now. It's hard to even talk, let alone ride. Whereas that's going to be insane. That's the second highest active volcano in the world. Enjoy the ride. It's all going to be GoPro footage, chest cams, me following Martha, her following me, and I'm on the Rift Zone Carbon. I'm on the equator in the mountains. Let's go ride. Here we go. Drop in. Yes. Oh, it's so dusty already. Yeah. It's literally the most natural, sick bike park. Oh! Dust! My lungs hurt. I'm gasping for oxygen, I'm just getting dust. We'll get up high. Oh, sick. So much stuff just to pump and play around on. Oh! I'm down! This is that volcanic, soily epicness. So out of breath. Tomorrow's going to be hellish. Yes, I had a crash.
What happened?
It's just look how soft this stuff is.
Screaming.
We detonate this one.
Detonate it. Oh! That was wonderful.
Full speed, race speed only.
Oh! Massive nosedive from Mr. Jones. Oh! Oh my god.
We were supposed to go that way, weren't we? We're heading that way to a really single tracky, tight, loamy enduro track, which I'm all about. That's going to be sick. I haven't ridden loam in months. This is some task. Tomorrow's going to be, it'll blow this out of proportion. Oh, is this the top, dude?
Yeah, this is the top.
Sick, I needed it to be the top. It's really like riding in a rainforest, isn't it?
Yeah.
Through a jungle.
But with zero humidity.
Do you get baboons here?
No.
Ready, Martha?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like loam. Oh, that was rad! Bloody hell, she made some noise. That was so sick. Pure dust. Oh, it's tight. Oh, I can't remember a time I've ridden dirt like this. Woo! Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna, oh my god, I was fully locked up the whole way into that. Oh, I'm going so fast. I can't hear Martha anymore. It's hard, oh! I was about to say it's hard to trust these blind corners, and then that appears. Oh, it's so hard. That is literally prime. How good is that?
Ah, so mad.
That is prime. It's actually heaven on trail bikes.
Yeah, boy.
These are the trail builders.
Yeah, man.
The Santa Rita crew.
Yeah.
That Cotopaxi there. That's the best shot I can get on a GoPro, but it's biblical. Tomorrow, same video. The mental thing here in Ecuador, hard to get your head round if you're from Europe, is they don't have seasons. We get 4 seasons, they get none. So whatever conditions you can see here today, it's like that all year. Can I walk along this pipe and have a look? Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, that's imagine slipping your gears there. Oh, that was proper front wheel drift. Oh! Sick run. That was one lap at Santa Rita Bike Park. So you can imagine what this place is going to be like in a few years. Early doors tomorrow. We're going up the mountain. We're going up an active volcano to ride our bikes. I'll see you in the morning. Right then, good morning. So right now we're driving up Cotopaxi. Thankfully it's not looking too active today. How high would you say we are now?
We will reach 4,600 meters.
I'm so excited to ride this volcanic dirt, just constantly big open turns in the soft dirt. It's gonna be sick. Just see at the top. Yes! Look at the scale of where we are. Look at the dirt. You see that? Can you imagine riding this stuff? We're about to just head down huge. Oh, it's gonna be sick. I feel faint. I feel faint up here. It's so cold as well. Everyone's layering up like mad. They've all brought raincoats, coats, puffer jackets, and I flew to the equator, so I was lucky to even bring a hoodie. So I'm gonna freeze out there. Do you know Ecuador's called Ecuador because Equator. I'm not even making it up. Martha, do a little test run of the dirt, see what it's like. Uphill. How is it? Going? Yes, mate, dropping in. Oh my God, this is sick. Oh, it's volcanic dream dirt. Oh!
Bike and roll, man.
We're literally half the height that aeroplanes fly at, which is, oh, here we go, we're in now. Full speed! It's so natural. I love volcanoes. Fresh follow cam. Yeah, boy. We're dropping into this next section, Holy Ridge. Don't know what that means, but should be epic.
Here we go.
Sí, ahí paramos.
Full gas.
Woohoo! Just all lean back brake, and just try and make big arcs. It's like skiing.
Nice, buddy.
I can't free overtake.
Oh, I'm going fast now. Yes, man. Man, that is the business. Proper ridge line, exposed both ways. So different to anywhere else I've ever ridden. Plus the altitude makes it that bit more rewarding. And that's not over. I love it, it's great, that was sick. Yeah. Yeah, man. What? You! Oh yeah, dude. Oh God. Yeah, let it go. Woo! Sick. Get it, Martha. Yeah. Yo. Oh! You don't want to go off that too fast. So I almost lost my life thinking that that was a nice rollover, but then there's this huge drop down here. Came to check out and found a nice line underneath there. You could just fit. I think you could just about fit through there. Should we do it? Come from here, right on the edge of the death cliff,
A little bit
and then
close,
in.
but
It is loose. You wouldn't want to go off there. Whoa! That was a close one. Conquered a new freeride line right there. Check out the height of that drop. Oh,
You would have so died if you'd gone off the edge.
that's what noise your back would make. It's fairly feasible that no one's ever ridden down any of that on a bike. This is going to be full speed now. Remember, the air is thinner up here,
Yeah.
which means less air resistance and more speed.
Yeah.
Oh my god! That was unreal!
Yeah.
Smashed my hand on a tree. We really are ticking the freeride box out here. Like, there's such a cool group of us, all the Santa Rita bike park crew. We've got a medic, we've got locals, and everyone's just hitting different lines. Nothing's manufactured here. You just pick a line and go for it. It's just so fun. I feel very lucky and privileged to be discovering a seriously unique part of the world, and I've brought my bike here. It's epic. Yeah. Oh. The whole experience of riding a Volcano is like brand new to me. I actually can't fathom how fun it is and how epic it is, but also how few places on the planet can provide that level of fun. So yeah, I feel I'm lucky to have been here. So now we've ticked off Quito, Cotopaxi and Santa Rita Bike Park, and now I'm headed south down to Guayaquil, which apparently has got mentally humid jungles, way different styles of riding. I can't wait, it's gonna be sick. See you next time, legends.